Portland and Beaverton school districts released plans for reopening their campuses. Both are working toward hybrid options, with the earliest date students can return to school slated for April.
But some parents and students feel it's not soon enough. Fox 12's Brenna Kelly joins us now live after speaking with the mom of two high schoolers in Beaverton. Brenna?
Well, Governor Brown's push to get educators vaccinated, citing mental health troubles, really resonated with this Beaverton mom I spoke to. But she says she's not seeing the same efforts from her kids' district, saying BSD is ignoring middle and high schoolers.
It's just like they're offering our kids scraps, and we're supposed to be thankful.
Wendy Gibson, a mom of two high schoolers in Beaverton School District, says her pleas to get kids back in school are falling on deaf ears. BSD's latest plan includes limited in-person instruction on February 22nd for the students who need the most help, hybrid instruction on April 5th for elementary schools, and BSD Connect for middle and high schoolers. In-person, small group interactions around clubs, their academic classes will remain remote. Wendy says for the first time in this pandemic, her daughters hit a wall.
She's a glass half full, silver lining kind of girl. She always sees the positive in things. And the other day was the first time that I've really seen, emotional again, the first time I've ever really seen her break down over this whole time. And she just said that she's felt like she's just stuck. She's frozen in time, and they haven't been able to do anything. They've completely lost their senior year.
Portland Public Schools plans look slightly different. Their limited in-person instruction begins this week. It's taking a phased approach. On April 8th, the district plans to reopen its campuses for hybrid instruction to all students. Wendy wishes her kids had the same opportunity.
We don't have the power of a union behind us. We're just parents, and we don't have an organization to help us. We're just constantly out there begging for someone to listen to us, to get our kids back. It's just really disheartening, the lack of support we seem to have.
She says beyond that, all of the sympathy for high school seniors has stopped. They haven't just lost a few months. This year's graduating class will have lost their entire year.
But I don't really understand why the compassion doesn't seem to be there anymore.
And it's worth noting, PPS says they'll be prioritizing their youngest learners when they begin hybrid learning, as it becomes much more complicated with high schoolers. But they, too, are working on scenarios that would include some level of on-campus learning. Reporting live in Portland tonight, Brenna Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.